How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram app. Tap profile icon at bottom right. Tap edit profile. Now select pronouns. After that, you need to choose the preferred language and add the pronouns. There are two existing pronouns. You can easily tap the cross mark next to it and delete it and add new one. Tap the tick mark at top right corner of your screen. Before that, if you want to show to your followers only, toggle the button on, otherwise toggle it off. And with that, you have successfully changed or added pronouns to your Instagram profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.